And especially that Akufo-Addo no side, you know, they are very foolish people.
It was for Ghana 7 TV GH. Message on like a comment, subscribe, and turn on notification. And you see, Papa be a wife, no, mean the name no po. You see, need Nana Bobie Ansah. And honestly, a journalist need. And so you know, Accra FM. Na ene me nim ne bae na ko bae na me ko pie woni show so e sa Accra FM no na isen fumpa ni enti ewe nyina ya journalist for man we mu no wonder masa enti se ebuzanfo na ito sa papa no utime ho se na oye tribal pa de not because say Akyem Fuɔ. Look at me, it's even hard for me to say it. And the ultimate time Akufo-Addo said to the extent say you even go after Akufo-Addo's tribe and to say Akufo-Addo tribe for only Akyem Fuɔ no only a reckless and a worse look at me to me use it just a more moody masonity. By bad. Say na Ghana politics. Abe yedie. Na nkofo amu from when you now no. Your friend say GJA Ghana Journalist Association. Omo hu e o. When you no omo hu e. By obi ko hwi na suma sebi. And there you see them coming out to come and talk. Obi ko hwi na suma ultimate na radio so say. How can say Akyem Fuɔ nyina omo MPP mu no omo yen kosiafo we the Ghana journalists for mo edin ba wo de obi ko twin asum no kama you see that's when you see that GJ knows how to organize press conference and when na media for ni we mu e na omo indicating crofo se na omo ko to aba na mo to aba pa we mu Bobie Ansah Matisse o ya Santini we I say we crowd anka pia stadium ye se nipa bi se Bobie Ansah ya mi de mi ko ti ni kan ene se ono omu bi na ye NDC for journalist dia se ka pia stadium kranka say man Juma wa Accra FM no ko ye Juma anase man Juma wa Wezo because when me Juma me ntia o Papa bi otimi buy number ma free senior high school over 4 million children pa eco school free ban tia ebra sasika no to mama administration and na all this house can no say papa no o etrimodeni asembe kre ni anti politics nti they say na any tie de ejale yes sir enjoy your mind when you because very bad bad and very very annoying. I'll leave you to listen to the nonsense this guy has to say.
Sisia Kwame, and you guys should cut this and put it out there. Party here sika MPP for the galamsey ni ye papa yeah Kwame, sika MPP for Kromano, you have no idea. Say NDC me and dismantle one. Sika gold. Gabi Ochida kunum enu omo ye galamsey MPP for boys they have money because unim they know ye. The government will give you a land. That work of Pencroft Mutu Galamsey no a man. Yes. And it was sanctioned by Akufo-Addo and Bawumia presidency. And that is why normally national security cars and the operations, presidency cars, and normally call a Tuwakotu gold. I'm telling you. Nasikano omwenya no. You see? Yanina ama elements elements ni bi what NDC mu a omo ni brief no wo wa no ate we ye bi yes omo bo obi din wo western region wo baby wo wa no ate one person bi and NDC four boys no a ye do omo ko campaign no so no omo do omo ni a kire ewura no mu because MPP four boys na they really made money. Filthy rich. In the acquire say, hey, I didn't know to Kurano, that's almost I bar on Beba two. MPP, they are reckless. Oh, they are very reckless people. Very reckless, very foolish, very stupid. They don't care. They don't care about anything. Well, so almost see Bonekwa, and especially that Akufo-Addo no aside, you know, they are very foolish people, very stupid people. Almost destroy Maya. They don't care. They don't care.
I'm in the MPP side, and he's at the NDC side. We used to like argue a lot when we meet in like most of our social gatherings.
Oh.
So he used to tell people that this is a fake Mutala people are seeing. That's how he normally referred to me.
Wow.
Yeah, actually Mutala was a great person altogether. As at yesterday, they spoke with me like closer to 30 minutes from the head office. From their party office, because I was the Go TV coordinator and the researcher for Tamale Central as well too. So you see, people don't understand why the party came out with this. A lot has gone through behind doors. A lot of research has gone through. I personally, you see, if you go to my social media, some of my social media, I've kept it initially that Tamale Central, we are not ready to contest any by-elections. People didn't like. People were not like happy of what I said. They didn't ask why. They started lambasting me here and there. Oh, when did you start politics? This small guy, when did you start politics? What do you know in politics? What? You see, looking at a lot of things have gone through. Tamale Central has been one of the heart of NDCs. Yes. Looking at our elections from 2020 to 2024, I still have the data off head. Yeah. So, madam, people will say a lot, but this is just the best ever decision taken by the NPP ever. I will say that. One, let's deal with humanity. Tamale people, a lot of NPP people are even yelling complaining, asking questions. Why now? Why now? Why now? Why now? There's something like this sympathy votes people are talking of. You see, if we dare do this mistake, madam, and go for by-election, you see our results in 2024 elections. The 16,647 votes we had is going to drop massively. The 24% we have 24.16. Yeah, 24.16% in just ended election. Madam, if we dare do this mistake, it's going to over us. And it's going to demoralize our party for this 2028 election in Tamale Central. So they've gone through a lot of hard work before coming out with this memo. So people will not understand why. Look at what's the name? 2020 elections. We had 33,567. And the NDC had 41,775 votes. As at that time, the main register was 75,000. And this 2024 elections, we have 93,000 plus. So with the 93,000, NDC, Honorable Mutala, the late Honorable Mutala had 52,000 out of the 93,000.
That's true.
And NPP, yeah, we have 16,647. Yes, 647. So, Madam, a lot has happened. I'm most grateful that the party has now decided this.
So it was actually 16,000.